believe that based on democratic and value-driven approach, we can deliver on the most pressing challenges to meet local needs and address global challenges. This is the new EU approach to investment and the Peace Highway. Today that we are inaugurating is one of the flagship investment projects within the European Union Economic and Investment Plan for the Western Balkans. The plan supports major road and railway connection in order to create a better connection between the economies of the Western Balkans and with the European Union. Successful economic integration within the region and with the European Union will only be possible with enhanced connectivity. The Peace Highway will have also an economic dimension and a positive economic impact for growth and jobs.
Ovih prvih 32,7 km do Beloljina, oni koštaju 226 miliona evra, od toga smo dobili 40 miliona evra na poklon od Evropske unije. Dakle, beskrajno sam zahvalan ljudima u Evropskoj uniji na tom velikom i značajnom poklonu, kao što sam zahvalan i predstavnicima Evropske investicione banke i BRD-a na najpovoljnijim mogućim uslovima finansiranja celog projekta.